Hello traders, hope you're doing well. In this video, apart from speaking about Nifty and Bank Nifty trading setup for Monday, we are also going to discuss about what is going to be the overall sentiment of the market for this week. We are going to discuss about a lot of useful information based on trade psychology and price action, which I think is going to be very useful for us. So I would suggest you to watch this video without skipping. Now let's start with Nifty. Now you can see Nifty has closed somewhere near 22,480, which is very close to the all-time high level. Now many retail traders, they have a similar kind of mindset when it comes to stock market. When there is a losing trade, we tend to hold on to the position even if market is going against us with the hope that it will reverse. This many people will do. That is what leads them to book bigger losses in the market. When we see profit in the market and market is going as per our view, we tend to cut off our profit very quickly because we have fear of losing the profit that we made. As a trader, our mindset has to be just opposite. We need to cut our loss based on our risk capacity. In a winning trade, we might have to hold on to our position for a longer duration. This is what a retail trader will do. When he notices a breakdown here, he enters a trade. Even if he notices the market is reversing, he will not exit from the market. At the same time, let's say he entered a call option trade here. If market tends to keep moving towards the upside, he will cut his profit very quickly. Now at this all-time high level of Nifty, many retail traders mindset is going to be similar. That means tomorrow if market opens with gap up somewhere here or here, since they don't know how far the market will go, they tend to exit from the trade very quickly. When many retail traders mindset is at the upper level, I will think about exiting from the market. Trapping cannot happen. The big players trap retail traders, right? Cannot happen. That is why usually what the market will do is first move the market as per a retail trader's sentiment. Here at the resistance near all-time high level, they push the market towards the downside, attracted more sellers. When enough numbers of sellers entered the market, all their stop loss was hit during this move. That is what I feel is going to happen in Nifty at the current level. This means my projection for this week is Nifty might slowly tend to move towards the downside and attract sellers after the breakdown. After trapping enough number of sellers, my expectation is market can again move towards the upside. Now for the market to move towards the upside, it needs some kind of positive news. Let's say next week they're going to announce election dates. Maybe that can act as a positive news for the market to move towards the upside. Until then, it might start attracting retail traders during these breakdowns. I hope my view about the market at this point of time is clear. Now at the current situation, even I'm thinking like a retail trader. At the upper level breakout, entering call option trade according to me is not a good idea. If market moves towards the upside, market has a chance of moving up to 22,590 or 22,600. Here you can see right a trend line. After giving breakout here, trapping people at this resistance, later market can move towards the downside. So somewhere near 22,590. If I'm getting any bearish setup where market is forming lower highs and lower lows and I get a breakdown with good volume, planning for put option trade according to me is a good idea. Now the current zone in Nifty, I would consider this as no trading zone. As long as market is staying within this range, entering any kind of trade is not a good idea. Some time back I said market has a potential of moving towards the downside, right? What I feel is if market comes out of 22,450 range or 22,400 range, it has a potential of moving up to 22,370 and maximum up to 22,300. During this fall, the market would have attracted enough number of sellers. After that, we can expect a momentum towards the upside. Now, during this fall, if we want to enter a put option trade, every trade that we take should not have more than 1 is to 2 risk reward. But when market is at 0.5 level, after giving a breakdown here if you're getting any W pattern setup, we can go up to 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 4 risk reward trade because we already know what can be the our stop loss, and this kind of movement we can expect even if market gives a direct breakout here. This breakout candle would be very strong and give us a very good profit in the market. This is the first situation where we can expect a reversal in the market. The second situation is, now at these levels, if we are getting any breakout setup, we can plan for bigger targets in the market. But if Nifty is moving towards the downside with small stop loss, maximum 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 2 risk reward is more than sufficient for us during this movement. One more thing what you would notice here is Nifty has been trading in a channel pattern. Even if this channel pattern breaks, this is the highest level which I feel Nifty can move. After that, it might move towards the downside. Now, at this zone, when we are planning for a put option near 22,600 area, that time we can have 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 4 risk reward also, because market has a chance of falling at least up to 150 to 180 points. But from here itself, if it falls, 1 is to 1.5 and 1 is to 2 risk reward is more than sufficient for us. So traders, I hope my view about Nifty is clear. If market falls from this zone, it is just trying to attract retail traders before giving a big move. If you are entering a put option, risk to reward has to be small, but near 0.5 or 618 level of Fibonacci, if you are expecting a reversal trading setup, you can plan for a bigger target. What if market hits a stop loss? Without thinking too much, as per our risk capacity, we will exit. I don't feel again Nifty will come down up to this channel level before continuing this movement. Somewhere here itself, we can expect a reversal. Tomorrow, if Nifty even opens with a gap up, expecting a bearish setup according to me would be a better idea. In our free Telegram channel, tomorrow we are going to share pre-market report. In pre-market report, we are going to discuss about important support and resistance level for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we will try to share details of stocks which has probability of giving breakout. To join the free Telegram channel, you can scan this QR code. The link is also provided in the description box below. Now let us look into Bank Nifty. Traders, what you're looking at right now is a 5 minutes time frame chart of Bank Nifty. Now on this chart, I mark some important level. First, this trend line, because it is acting as a good resistance level. And here I have drawn a range which is 47,690 to 47,750. Previously, you can see this was acting as resistance. Once market came out of this zone, it is acting as a supporting level. Tomorrow, if Bank Nifty opens somewhere here or here and moves towards the upside, this trend line can again act as resistance. But I have a feeling that Bank Nifty can consolidate within this range. If this happens, all sellers might enter the market at the upper level. At some point of time, if market comes out of 382 level of Fibonacci, and this breakout is with good volume, then with small stop loss, I'll be looking for a call option trade where these levels will be my target towards the upside. Now, this is a bullish setup. For this bullish setup to work, the market has to continuously keep respecting this trend line. More times the market respects this trend line, the chances of market moving towards the upside after breakout is really high. Instead of this, directly if market gives a breakout, the chances of this breakout failing is high. But after consolidation, if market gives a breakout, chances of this breakout sustaining in the market is high. So this is a setup which I am looking for in a call option trade. Now many times we have discussed, if a support level has been tested many times, the chances of breaking this level is high. Just like us, many people will be looking at this supporting area. If market comes out of this zone, even they will be thinking of entering a put option trade. So if market opens somewhere here, looking at this breakdown, many people will think about entering a put. But I personally feel market can move little lower, attract more put option buyers. Later again it can come to this zone, and finally in the future it can give a breakout. That is why I'm not having the confidence to enter a put option trade immediately at this breakdown. At this point of time, I feel Bank Nifty is just trying to decide where it wants to move next. If you are getting any bullish setup here, without thinking too much, we can consider a call option trade if the risk is as per our capacity. But on the lower zone, my concern is 0.5 level support from where market can reverse, and next support is 618 from where market can reverse. Near the support, there is a chance of reversal, or after giving a breakdown, there is a chance of reversal near 0.5, or even near 618 level, there is a chance of reversal. So I'm not sure exactly from where we have to change our mind to bearish. Maybe tomorrow morning, somewhere around 9:30 or 9:45, I will try to identify the important support and resistance level for the day. Once we identify these levels, depending on how the market is reacting at these levels, I can decide if there is any kind of put option trading setup. Those details I will be sharing in the free Telegram channel. You can follow us there. At this point of time, I'm just looking for any reversal setup in Bank Nifty. During this area, I feel it is better to avoid any kind of trade. Let the setup formation complete. Later, planning for the trade would be better for us. Apart from this, if there is any update, I will let you know in the Telegram channel. If you enjoyed this analysis and you think you learned something new today, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you think this kind of video will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.